you can feel the electricity because it's 134 volts. It's ridiculous. That's why you always got to tie down all your stuff at the same time. I went off the ground there. So let me just make sure I didn't lose anything while I did that. I love this thing. This thing is a monster. And when I stop, I'll see. Most of my bag stuff is in front, so I don't have to worry about losing anything. Crossover left, crossover right, and then stop. But yeah, I have a friend of mine that lives up on that building over there, so I'm just gonna call him up and see. But yeah, guys, as you can see, acceleration is crazy. Even the bump as a 200 rider, you see, I was going up and down, but yet I didn't lose anything. Everything is still intact. Yeah, it's really good, guys. I'll say